pop and electronica. I can't remember, probably in YU. Yeah. Men wearing shorts and men not respecting women. I don't know. Too many people. One or a pair. Worst date. I don't have a date. Yeah, probably just one flirtation ship. It wasn't that bad. Absolutely not. I don't like animals. Any animals. I don't like it. But I do like animal lovers. It's a long list, guys. But one thing for sure, smart and pious. And yeah. I never have a car. I don't have a car. Dream job. I don't know. Not stressful. Okay guys, those previous 10 IG stories of me answering the random questions, I just do it like for fun because I'm waiting my sweat to dry up, and 10 questions marking my 10 kilometers finale run today. Yeah, I know, po, you're right. But anyway, have a good day. Bye. Assalamualaikum.